What if I told you Arabic isn't as hard as you think? Imagine speaking a language that connects you to over 400 million people, unlocking rich cultures and reading beautiful texts with ease. Sounds exciting? Let's start your Arabic journey today. Arabic is one of the most spoken languages in the world. It's the key to understanding rich cultures, ancient history, and even the Quran. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a language expert to learn it. In this series, I'll show you simple steps to speak, read, and understand modern standard Arabic easily. No complicated grammar, no boring lessons, just fun, easy learning. Most people think Arabic is too hard because of its different script, grammar rules, and sounds. They start learning but feel overwhelmed and give up quickly. The problem isn't the language, it's the way it's taught. Long, boring lessons fill the complicated rules make it feel impossible. But what if learning Arabic could be simple, fun, and actually make sense? That's exactly what we are going to do here. In this series, I promise to make Arabic simple and fun. You will learn step by step with easy lessons that build your skills without confusion. By the end, you will be able to read, speak, and understand modern standard Arabic with confidence. No stress, no boring grammar drills, just clear, practical Arabic you can actually use. If you are ready to start your Arabic journey the easy way, stick with me in this series. Don't just watch, grab a notebook, practice with me, and stay consistent. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any lessons. And let's make Arabic a language you love to learn. Let's start with understanding what modern standard Arabic is. MSA, Modern Standard Arabic. MSA is the formal, official version of Arabic that's used in news, books, formal speeches, and even in most media across the Arab world. It's the language of communication in the government, education, and literature, meaning it's the one that everyone across Arabic speaking countries understands, no matter where they are from. Now, here's the cool part. MSA is often called the Universal Arabic because even though each country has its own local dialect, MSA connects all Arabic speakers. So, whether you are in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, or Morocco, if you speak MSA, people will understand you and you will understand them. It's like having a shared language for all the entire Arab world. Did you know that even though Arabic has many dialects, MSA is the same across all countries? It's kind of like how English is used internationally, even though there are different English accents and slang in places like the UK, the US, or Australia. Now let's talk about something really interesting. Arabic sounds. Arabic has some sounds that you won't find in English, and that's what makes the language so unique and beautiful. Let's take a look at a few of these special sounds. First up is the sound Ain. It's a deep, throaty sound that comes from the back of your throat. It's like if you were to say ah, but with a little more pressure from your throat. Try it with me. Ain, Ain. That's the sound of Ain. Next, we have Ho, and this sound made from the back of the mouth. Let's try it together. Ho, ho. Then there is Ghain. It's similar to the sound ho, but this time it's a little more G, like in the word go. It's still made from the throat, but you feel a little vibration. Let's say Ghain. ghain. The beauty of Arabic is that these sounds give the languages its musically quality. They are not hard to make once you practice, and they will make you sound amazing when you speak. Ain, kha, ghain. Now, let's start one of the most exciting parts, the Arabic alphabets. Don't worry, we won't overwhelm you with all 28 letters just yet. We'll take it slow, and I promise you will feel it confident. First, here is a fun fact. Arabic is written from right to left, which makes it a bit different from English. So when you start reading, just remember you will begin at the right side of the page. Pretty cool, right? There are 28 letters in Arabic alphabet, but don't panic. We won't learn all of them in this video. Let's start with just a few basic ones and we'll build up as we go. Here are first 5 alphabets. First one is Alif. Alif is just standing sign Alif. Alif has no sound, just say Alif. And second one, Ba. Ba. It sounds just like the B in English, like bat, B, ba. Second one, Ta, Ta. This one sounds like the T, top, but in Arabic, you try to say like Ta, 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 Ta.
ثاء ثاء
Fourth one is Jim, Jim, Jim. This letter sounds like the J, like jump, J, Jim, Jim. And the last one, Ha, Ha. This one is a bit tricky but fun. It's like the H sound, but it comes from deep in your throat, almost you're breathing out with a little pressure. Say it with me. Ha, ha, ha. H sound. Ha, ha is pronounced from middle part of the throat. So now repeat all letters from 1 to 5. Alif, Ba, Ta,
ثاء
Jim, Ha. Today you have taken your first step into the world of Arabic. You have learned what MSA is. You started recognizing the Arabic alphabet. Remember, it's all about small steps. Keep practicing and you will be surprised how fast you improve.